Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Wait a minute, no, that's not right, hold on. Hey Derek, today's the day we clean up the prior seepage situation on the 03 Avalona. Peek a gander under my frock and you will find some simple green all-purpose cleaner, and we got a spray bottle that is 1-to-1. Like I always say, dilute. Don't pollute. Hopefully it does a pretty good job. We're about to find out. So here she is. This is what we're dealing with. We got some frontal seepage, we got some rear seepage, and we got some seepage coming from timing cover situation here. Oh, look at that. Make sure your intake boots are not torn. You don't want to get any water in there. See this little rubber seal here that protects water intrusion getting into the connectors. I'm not saying it's perfectly watertight, but you should be good doing a light pressure wash. You don't want to go point blank to anything, but we should be good. We got this little baby electric pressure washer, which actually does a pretty good job. It's from Westinghouse, and you can find this at foryabud.com. We also got a hose reel. This is from Giraffe Tools, and yes, I have it zip tied to my porch. Don't worry about it. This right here is a quick attachment. Beautiful thing. So we actually got the faucet on right now. Got a valve and this quick fitting. Come here. McKillen's automatic garden hose quick connects. Peek a gander at this, buds. Solid connection. No leaks. So let's give her an initial spray down, and then we'll spray it with a simple green, wait a few minutes, and then spray it again. Here we go, buds. Decent. Why are we replacing a perfectly good clamp with a not so good worm clamp? I do not know. We're gonna go ahead and spray her down now. Generous application. My hand's tired, so we will call that good. Bring some more illumination to this situation. One thing I miss about old cars is right here. Oh, there we go. Magneto hood. Do we have a scrubby brush? We do. Sometimes some stuff just needs a little scrubby poo. Okay, let's spray her off. Call her done. Brother, that is dirty. I think we better call that good enough there, buds. I'm gonna take an air hose and just dry off the battery and the alternator, some other components. think that is good enough. We're gonna go on a little test drive, but I'm gonna show you that she starts up just fine, drives just fine, and as long as I make sure there's no sitting water, we should not have a problem. And now we have a much cleaner Motra vehicle. Soggy zip tie, engage. Okay, tuck you back in your home here. Take that from you. Come here. Oh, that's looking nice. That's looking real nice. My word, Jezebel. Okay, so everybody's saying you're gonna ruin all the electrical components by pressure washing under the hood. Well, I just did it for about 25 minutes straight, and she starts right up. So riddle me that, Josephina. Little test drive, beautiful view, beautiful country. A little wish-wash fluid with the new wiper motor. She's doing real good. Probably hard to tell for you guys, but that steering wheel jiggle has greatly subsided. And now we're actually pulling a little to the right, so I think tire wear is causing the pull situation. The alignment's probably pretty good. So that's nice. That's a good sign. So we're just gonna rock these tires until they need to be replaced, or if I sell the vehicle, whatever, I'll let the next owner know the situation with the tires and why it's doing that little jingle jangle. Oh, bud. The steering wheel feels so much better. Give her some beans, dry her off real good. I'm loving this car. Honestly, I kind of want to keep it. All we got left is what? The timing belt kit with the water pump. We're gonna drain the coolant, valve cover gaskets, PCV valve. I'll do a brake fluid flush, power steering flush, and that's about it. Maybe I'll keep it forever. Maybe I'll give it to one of y'all. Let me know if any of y'all are interested in purchasing this beautiful 03 Avalonian after I do all of the repairs. Is that a race car, boys? Woo! Hell yeah, brother, woo! Oh yeah, she's feeling good. Transmission is shifting real good. Engine sounds good. Steering wheel's nice and steady now. I mean, what more could you want out of a 23-year-old vehicle? I don't know. Back into our cave, and we do have some oil leaks still, so gonna need to fix that before we get more oil on our beautiful floor. Right about there. Take that from you, camera. Pop the hood. Okay, let's give you a final little looky-loo at the extreme pressure wash extravaganza. Oh yeah, that's looking really good, buds. All that oil grime on the body is no more. Power steering lines look nice and clean, so I'll be able to tell if those are actually leaking or not. I'm really thinking it was just engine oil flinging up from the pulleys. Now, it's not perfect. There's definitely some seepage left, but it is 10 times better than it was, and now I have something to go off of. If there is other leaks, we should be able to tell. Simba. She's beautiful. Bye-bye.